Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view some Ipsy spoilers for the Glam Bag Regular and the Glam Bag Plus. We're just gonna do both in one video because they're both very disappointing. Something about the theme today with Ipsy is just disappointment to disappointment, disappointment, disappointment. Just throwing that out there. I just did a video on my Ipsy choices for Plus this month, disappointed, and I did a video on the Glam Bag X and all of those products and choices, disappointed. So let me just give you another disappointing video. Now don't take this negatively, like I usually don't give out negative videos, but I'm not feeling these spoilers considering we were going in a really good direction with amazing brands, amazing products, things that you know you're going to use like everything coming in your bag. But so far these are a little lackluster, just not feeling it, you know? But yeah, if you are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already viewing this video right now, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so just a little disclaimer, this is makeup and skincare. It's not that serious. My opinions are just my opinions. Your opinion can be different, and that's what's beautiful about life, is everyone has their own opinion. Yay! Okay, so now that we've said that, let's get on with these spoilers. So we're gonna start out by talking about the bags. So I have to say, the bags are actually very inspiring. We love the bags. We love them. They're really, really cute, and I just like the message behind the bags. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on the bags. I think they're beautiful. I think they're beautiful. Anyways, so let's get on with the Glam Bag Regular spoilers. As I always mention, the Glam Bag Regular is $12 a month. These are sample sizes, deluxe size samples, and you get the occasional full size product if you're lucky. So very first item, this is the KVD Vegan Beauty Locket Setting Powder. Need something to hold that look down? This weightless translucent loose powder sets and perfects for a flawless locked in finish, hence the name. So this is just going to be like one of those normal samples about this big. Pretty sure I have had this, but I got rid of it. Next up from Away, pretty sure that's how you pronounce it, Way, I don't know. This is the leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner that detangles hair and protects against heat and damage to reduce frizz and flyaways. You can even apply it to thick dry hair for a boost of hydration. This is honestly like a really exciting product because this brand's amazing and just trustworthy. You know it's going to make your hair feel amazing. So I really hope that I get this because I would love to put that in my hair. Next up from Elizabeth Mott, this is the Vitamin C Face Scrub. It's more than a scrub, it's a spa treatment. This refreshing face scrub is a cocktail of heat-activated technology, vitamin C, quartz, and nourishing multivitamins for a radiant, healthy complexion. So cool. Next up from Lottie London, this is the Ombre Blush in Serene. Lightweight and smooth, these blushers come in a blend of matte and softly shimmering shades for a healthy flush and sheen in an instant. And this nude pink, it's flattering on nearly all skin tones. So Lottie London is a drugstore brand, so I know the price isn't that expensive, so I'm wondering if this is going to be a full-size blush or if it is going to be a sample size. It'd be really cool to see it as a full-size blush though. Next up is the Ciate London Fruit Burst Lip Oil in Mango and Lime. This high shine lip gloss is perfect for a touch of sweetness and a drenched glossy look. The non-tacky and delicately scented formula creates a seriously soft, nurtured pout. I think that this would be perfect for like a summer box because it's gonna give me like, you know, depressed vibes smelling all this nice scented mango and lime that should be in the summertime. I mean, it's a great product, you know, whatever. I'm just like, it's gonna make me think of summer and being warm and not freezing cold. Anyways, next up from Sweet Chef, this is the Oatmeal Latte Cleanser. Packed with calming antioxidants, this gentle cleanser has powerful makeup removing benefits for all skin types, even sensitive skin. The gel to foam SLS free formula effectively removes makeup while hydrating. Hyaluronic acid and nourishing soothing oat milk creates calm, bouncy skin. So we have now 2 cleansers for spoilers. So yeah, at least we have 2 makeup type items and then like a lip gloss. So at least it's a little less skincare heavy for these spoilers. Next up, we're going to talk about the Glam Bag Plus spoilers. So the first one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Liquid Glow in Oyster. This weightless liquid highlighter offers an intense glow with metallic and luster finishes. The full pigmented liquid formula delivers a seamless blend for both face and body and dries down to a flawless, natural looking finish. If I'm being honest, this looks like it might be a little bit too dark for my skin tone, but you never know. I would like to get it just to try it out. Next up from Item Beauty, this is the One Hit Triple Action Setting Mist, which is actually one of the choice items for the Glam Bag X. So it's prime, set, and refresh your makeup with this triple action hydrating facial mist. It's infused with aloe vera and tiger grass extracts to help calm and soothe, lavender and rose waters to help tone and brighten, and sodium hyaluronate to hold in moisture. Next up from Rowan Beauty, Rowan Beauty. This is the Cake Mascara. This buildable and volumizing mascara plumps lashes with a uniquely fluffy brush designed with flexible bristles that lengthen and lift from the root of the lash. It's also infused with olive oil to keep lashes hydrated throughout the day. That is interesting. I've never heard of this brand. So yeah, if you've heard of them, let me know down below. Next up is the It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush number 704. I actually have it right here. I use this brush for like serums or face primers and stuff like that before I actually use it. I don't use it for like actual foundation, though I did today because I tried this pure tinted moisturizer that we got in BoxyCharm last month and it was not good. So yeah, anyways, your skin will thank you for this one. Seriously, featuring Heavenly Skin hair that's infused with anti-aging collagen, silk, peptides, niacin, and antioxidants. This brush instantly improves the look of your skin. Next up from Dose of Colors, it's the Meet Your Hue Concealer. This multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections, but that's not even the best part. It comes in a whopping 30 all-inclusive shades. So hopefully, if you get this, it will actually give you an option to choose different shades, because that wasn't the case with two different foundations for the choices today. It just kind of gave you one, wasn't the right undertone, wasn't the right, you know, whatever. So hopefully this time they will give you like more options or something, or put this in an add-on or something, because it's gonna be problems with the undertones and all of that. You know what I mean? Plus, I'm pretty sure we just seen this over in BoxyCharm. I didn't get it, but I'm pretty sure this was one of their products that they had like a few months ago. Anyways, the last spoiler is from Hero Cosmetics. It's the Mighty Patch Invisible Plus. Don't let the AM breakout slow you down. These ultra thin patches are clear, matte, and seamlessly tapered, so they're virtually undetectable on your skin and so comfortable you'll forget they're even there, which that's actually kind of exciting. But let me know your thoughts and opinions down below on all of these spoilers. So far, not impressed with anything. I'm a little intrigued to try the Way leave-in conditioner. Anastasia Liquid Glow, that would be fun to get, but I can live without. And I have this brush already, so I don't need another one. And the concealer, depending on how you can choose it, if it'll actually give you your, you know, correct shade, which does not seem to be the trend, you know, it's a little disappointing. All of these spoilers are just disappointing. Not really into it, but I want to know your thoughts and opinions. Are you feeling like these are good spoilers? Are you thinking about pausing for March? I will definitely update you if there's more spoilers out, but the way it has been the past couple months, these are the spoilers until closer to the end of the month, like the 20s, and then we'll have like a few more spoilers before choice, and then our choice, and then we'll have spoilers from the choice. You guys know. But yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!